Montana Granite Effect is a water-based special spray paint for deceivingly realistic granite effect. Surfaces should be clean and dry. Remove cap and shake can well for 2 to 3 minutes. When applying brighter color tones on dark grounds, prior priming is recommended. Apply 1 or more thin, even layers. Allow minimum 4 to 5 minutes drying time between coats. The more layers, the stronger the granite effect. Apply effect at a distance of 20 to 30 centimeters from substrate. Pre-prime surfaces with Montana Texture Spray to achieve a more realistic stone-like effect. The Montana Granite Effect can be overpainted when fully dry and cured with other Montana lacquers, such as Montana Gold, Black, White, or acrylic paint. Seal with Montana Varnish for further protection. For application on styrofoam, no pre-priming is required. Montana Granite Effect can even be washed off with water within 30 minutes. Highest spray paint quality made in Germany.